Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE GLASS RANGETOP ASSM GY plus DW1 part WB62X25972. GE GLASS RANGETOP ASSM GY plus DW1 part WB62X25972 is a part for a GE rangetop. It is an assembly that includes the glass top, burner grates, and the control knobs. The glass top is made of tempered glass and has a gray finish. The burner grates are made of cast iron and have a black finish. The control knobs are plastic and have a black finish. This part is designed to fit select GE ranges and can be used to replace an existing range top or to upgrade an existing range. This part comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged glass rangetop assembly on a range. It can fix symptoms such as the rangetop not heating properly or the glass being cracked or broken. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the range at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing glass top by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Carefully lift the glass top off and set aside. 4. Place the new glass top onto the range, making sure it is properly aligned with all four corners of the range top. 5. Securely fasten the new glass top to the range using screws provided with your new part. 6. Reconnect power to the range at the circuit breaker and test for proper operation of your new part before use. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.